Hi all, welcome to John's Model Making. Today we got Titanic issue 40. Excellent stuff. Now, there are the parts still in the box. This issue we do the propellers that we fit here, here and here, and then we couple them into place with some clips, and then we also need the hull because we're going to be doing another anchor. Show you this. Excellent stuff. So that is working fine. So we're going to add to that one, and then we're done for this month. Excellent stuff. Let's have a quick look at the magazine. Here we have issue 40, and on the inside cover we have coming in issue 41, forward section of the boat deck, decking panel and electrical connections. Excellent stuff. And then we have the stories, safety, speed and luxury. That's a cracking read, that. All about steamships many years ago, and the blue ribbon for going from America to Europe as quick as poss. And then we have the movie again, Titanic the blockbuster, and there's talk, or I should say in the story, they describe how they actually made the staircase wider due to the dimensions of people of today being bigger than they were in 1912. It's not very flattering, is it? But it's a cracking story. And then we have the instructions, shafts and propellers. There we go. We got a central propeller, 4-bladed, and port and starboard, 3-bladed. So we just add them onto the shafts. Obviously you have to look at the tilt of the blade to get it correct, or the tilt of the blades for the propellers to get it correct. There we go. And we add them. Here we go. There. And then we can test them again to see if they're working, and then we need to put the other anchor in place. They give us a clip as well to marry them up, make sure that they're at the same length. Look a bit odd if they weren't. And there we go, and that is it. That is completed work. There we go. Both anchors in place. Excellent stuff. So without further ado, let's get on with the build. And here we have the parts. There we go. AP screws, those are the clips, those are the shafts. Okay, so those are the parts. There's the 3 shafts, that's the sensor shaft, and those are the clips, so we'll just pop them to one side. There's the anchor with the chain and the clip inside, so I don't need that for now. Pop that to one side. Now here is the middle shaft, the longer of the 3 that I can fit there. That is quite loose, that as well. We don't need to fix it now apparently. That's a bit tidier. No, still not right. Now it won't matter which of these blades you put on the shaft, just so long as you position them correctly when you put them on the ship. Oops, yeah, I'll drop that then. Well, that is the correct order, as you can see. There we go. There we are. That's the port, starboard. That's the central one. Excellent stuff. So that is how we need to position them onto the engine deck. Excellent stuff. Okay, let's sort these out. Let's position this one first. That one can go in there, just like that. And that didn't come off. And this one can fit through that there. And let me see if I can get there we go. Let me see if I can get a bit of a close-up. There we go. There's a better shot for you. And that one just fits just there like that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, like I said before, you got to make sure is you get the blades correct. There we go. That's how it should be. I mean, they're not fixed in place, so it's not a big problem, but as you can see, the blade is turned inward there and inward there. Obviously that one isn't, and they're all loose, so they will come off because they need gluing into place. But now we need to fix the clips. So here we have those grips, and basically position these. Sorry, not that way. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's why. That one goes there like that. That one goes there like that, and that one I believe goes there, and that one goes there. That one's not going to stay in place, that one. So we'll put these others into place, and then we'll do that one last. So we'll need the AP screws. Okay, that's the first screw. Now I'll do the rest. See you in a minute. That's empty. This one needs to be positioned this way around. As you can see here. There we go. Excellent stuff. And now we have this last grip that fits there just like that. Last two screws, and then we can actually test these propellers, see them in motion. I wonder if any of them come off because they are just a loose fit at the moment. But we need the rest of the hull before we can fix them together. There's one screw left. Right, let me power it up. Okay, here we have the PCB. So we just need to plug this in as always, just like that, and then put this over here. That switch is in the central position, so it's not going to do anything as yet because that is a stop position. Just weigh that down so as it doesn't move, it doesn't get in the way. Now I need to elevate that a little bit. Let me sec. Okay, let's switch this on. There we go. That's all three, and you can hear the engines. Put it back to the middle, and then we just have the port and starboard propellers going. Excellent stuff. So there we go, that is the shafts and the propellers. That one nearly did come off, and that one, because they are loose obviously. But that is that stage of the build complete. Now we need to do the anchor. Okay, now we got the hull of the ship. Here we have the anchor, looking nice and bonny, and here we have this clip. Now, first of all, what we need to do is to feed this through here, like gravity to do its bit. And then I need to grab hold of that with a pair of tweezers, and we'll see if this is actually the same length as the other chain, which it isn't actually. It is a little bit short. Right, so what I'm going to have to do is unclip that one and put the clip on, and then we can just flex that like that. Yep, and we can attach both anchors to it. So let's unclip this first. Put that in there, and then let's see, we can do this is not very easy. Put that one there for now, and then put that there like so. See what that happens. That leaves them a little bit short, as you can see, there and there. So we're just going to have to adjust that clip a little bit more. Take that one into there, if I can, yep. See if that one is, yep, that one's fully up, so that's great. There we go, that's a lot better. There we go. Let's pull that chain up, no problem. Oh, I should say anchor, not chain. Excellent stuff. Well, this other side is just a little bit short, so we just need to adjust that chain again, just one more link, I think. Okay, there we go, that's that one. Hold all the way in nicely, and this one can be a bit fiddly with those links. But that clip has worked great. Excellent stuff. Looking fantastic. That is issue 40 complete. There we go, guys. Let's have both of these down. Excellent stuff. So that's both anchors in place, and obviously here we have the propellers, and obviously not fixed, very loose indeed, so store them carefully. You've seen it working. That's brilliant. It's looking absolutely fantastic now, this. I love the level of detail, it's looking absolutely brilliant. So anyway, that is issue 40 complete. That is it for this month. Not sure if we'll get any more before Christmas, but you never know. Doesn't look likely, but anyway, if you did like that, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching and tuning in, and have a lovely holiday season and a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I am going to be doing another channel update before Christmas, so I'll see you then. Thanks for watching, stay safe, bye for now.